Alright, well, I'm gonna do repair on the Face ID of an XS Max today. I'm gonna attempt to do it. Looks like someone tried to replace the screen and they tore the flex. So I'm gonna try to transfer the flood illuminator over to a new flood illuminator and see if that works or not. Alright, so here is the original flex, and as you can see, it is torn right there, severed. Let me see if I can get this focused. Okay, so it is torn. Let's see, it is torn, and I mean, I guess you can try to repair the traces, but that just sounds like a mess to try to repair those things. So, and there's really no other way to do it aside from trying to. I mean, I've done it once, but I don't know if it actually worked or not. So, but I'm gonna see if I can get this sucker off and see how it goes. So I really like these mechanic preheaters. And this was the iX7, which is supposed to be for like CPU reballing and stuff like that. But I'm gonna see if I can get this thing to pop off without using too much heat on that side of it. I'm not exactly sure how I'm gonna do this. I haven't really thought too hard about it. I think what I'll do is probably, let's see, how am I gonna do this? Should just use a little bit of heat, really. I think that's what I might do actually. I'm gonna put this aside, and I am going to tape it and use a little bit of heat and see if I can remove it fairly quickly without damaging anything. And I think that is probably the challenge of this. And hopefully that's it. Really, you know what? Let's take it off of the other one first. I'm going to take it off of the one that I bought from Mobile Centrics first. This is a Max, right? So why is that? Okay. All right. So this is the one I bought, and brand new. So I'm just going to separate the glue here. Without damaging it. Let's see. Let's see if I can do this. There it goes. Okay. Oh, did I just destroy that? What the hell? I didn't just do that, did I? Or is this like a fake one? This is not even used, dude. Oh my god. Seriously? I did not slice this. Definitely did not slice it. I don't even think this was attached, actually. It's interesting. That is interesting. Okay. Well, I don't. So this is the. Actually, I'll show it to you guys under scope. So this is the one that I bought from Mobile Centrics, and I don't even think it was really attached. It was just taped on here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it wasn't attached. So I don't even think this is functional. I think that's just like something to look at. So I guess I'll remove that, and then I'll try to take this flood illuminator off, and I'll put it, and then I'll put the original one on here and see if it works or not. Okay. No clue if it's gonna work or not. No clue, but we shall give it a try. Alright, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little bit of tape on it, capped on the top of it, and then I'm just going to use some like somewhat quick lower heat to get it off, and then we'll go from there, okay? No clue. So I'm not going to use any flux or anything like that. Really just want to cover this enough so that the heat doesn't, at least, try to protect it a little bit at least. And I think I'll probably go from the backside. So I don't know if you're going to be able to see this or not, but we shall see. Um, okay, so I think what I'll do is just go like this. So I'm going to go to like 326 is what I'm at. And then I think I'll do it from the backside. It's not jack anything up. But this is the so anyways. Oy. Alright, so pop that off. Then I'll do the same with the other one. So basically I'm just heating it from the backside. I don't even think I need a Kapton tape. This is the original flex, which is damaged. And I'll just see if I can get it from the backside somehow. Alright. So basically just like minimal heat. As little as possible. And then let's go under the scope and then we'll just do the same kind of thing. I know you can't really see it very well, but let's see, how am I gonna do this? I think I should just do it from the back, right? Let's see. Just do it like this. Alright, let's go. Alright, looks pretty solid, so let's give it a shot, see how it goes. Okay, so it actually did work. Let's see. How am I gonna do this? I'm trying to find a dummy face. Anyways, I'll just kind of show you guys that it does work indeed. I'll just do it like this. Okay, so there you go. Face ID is now set up. So all you have to do is transfer over the flood illuminator, um, preferably from the underside of it, so that you don't actually melt the flood illuminator. Use low heat. I was at 326, I think, with airflow of 40, and transfer. You can even transfer it over to an aftermarket front camera flex. So, although I think that that little white thing that we left off is the True Tone. So I don't think True Tone's going to work for this, but Face ID works, so that's a good thing. So anyways, yeah. So this is the first one that I've done that actually works. So this is pretty. I wasn't sure if it worked or not, but now I know. But I did some testing in another video, and I determined that it was definitely just the flood illuminator that was required for Face ID. So yeah, so we're good to go. I mean, if you want I think that's the ambient light sensor. This white thing. Then you should probably just buy original flex from eBay or something like that, and then that way it should work. Yeah, everything should work. So, all right, so that's pretty nice. That's good to know, and this is going to be a viable repair here. So long as they have the original flex, should be good to go. All right, thanks for watching.